Here's how to use maxiGRIP to easily and securely attach a heatsink. Place frame clip into pocket of tooling baseplate. Position the knob tool over the frame clip. Rotate the knob tool 45 degrees clockwise, locking the frame clip to the knob tool and lift away from base plate. Lift to remove the knob tool, leaving the frame clip attached to the component. Rotate the knob tool 45 degrees clockwise to unlock the frame clip, releasing the maxiGRIP heatsink attachment from the component. Note the direction of airflow when placing your heatsink. Place the heatsink, with a thermal pad on its base, squarely in the frame clip over the component. Secure the open end of the spring clip under the lip of the frame clip. Using the forked end of the spring clip tool, latch over the closed end of the spring clip onto the frame clip tab. Inspect the installation. Double-check to make sure the heatsink is securely attached. When you need to remove the heatsink, take the forked end of the spring clip tool and unlatch it. Remove the heatsink from the frame clip. Position the knob tool over the frame clip. Rotate the knob tool 45 degrees clockwise to unlock the frame clip, releasing the heatsink attachment from the component.